This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Jim Linville. Ranch home in Lake Santee with 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, IK with a pantry, laundry room, spacious family room, with a wood pellet burning stove. Master is a suite with walk-in closet, garden tub, stand-up shower. 2-car detached garage. Comes with 4 lots. Mature trees line the back lot. Calm, peaceful living at its best. All this and it come with a home warranty for your peace of mind. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim Linville at 317-430-5102.